Hey guys, a very good evening. So I am live now on Facebook and I'm so excited to be here. And today's live, the intention of, let me check the camera. I think I'll just adjust this a little while. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm so excited to come here live because I really like taking live sessions so that I can interact with people on live one-on-one basis, and it gives me an opportunity to know others in a much better way. So the intention of today's session is that this is a special live session I'm doing so that I can add a little bit more value in the lives of people, specifically if you are a business owner, freelancer, that is, you have your own setup. So, I'm also an entrepreneur, and when you are an entrepreneur, when you're a solopreneur, or when you're running things your way, you need that freedom. Okay, the only reason we step in this world is so that we can do things by our own selves. But the hard part is, as an entrepreneur, most of the entrepreneurs are badly struggling, or they're facing challenges such as not able to connect with their clients, constantly running clients, burning themselves, working very hard, going through that stress and anxiety. And the reason I know all this is because, one is, I have gone through them, and number two, from last like 1.5 years, I'm working very closely with entrepreneurs, so I know the pain and the challenges the entrepreneur go through at different stages in their life. So I just thought that why not share some of the secrets that would help you, not just gain more clients, not just get yes from your clients, easily get work done from your team members, and also will help you how you can hack your own mind for success. Okay, so if you can see me live, and if if this is something that you're super excited to learn more about, just type learn more in the chat box. So, and thank you all those who have recently joined me. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. So the three secrets are basically, now why I'm sharing these three secrets and from where these are coming from. So all those who don't know me, or who are watching me for the first time, I am basically a super passionate trainer who accidentally turned out to be an entrepreneur. Okay, I always thought I will be just a trainer, but accidentally I got into the world of entrepreneurship. So one of the, I think, thing that I'm really able to connect with entrepreneurs is because I know what it's like to be there and the challenges that you go through. So today, before I share more about session, I'm going to share with you three powerful secrets that I learned from my gurus, my mentors, and using those secrets, I was able to take my business to the next level. I was able to create a bigger impact. I was able to create a bigger income, and most important, I was able to use those secrets to take my life altogether to the next level. So that's what I'm going to share with you, three secrets. And before that, before I share with you more about these three secrets, I really want to share with you about like who I am and from where I'm coming. Okay, so like I said, I've basically been an HR professional. I was working as an HR professional in one of the IT company, and I used to do HR operations. And let me tell you very honestly, I used to hate that job. I mean, I don't know how I got into that role, and I was just not able to work with it. And in 2014 I just left my job, and then 2015 was a year which I call it broken hearts and empty pockets teach you a lot. So in that year, I basically explored my passion for training. I was at a situation in my life wherein I almost lost everything: my close bonds, a relationship breakdown. My father was not speaking to me. I had no clue what I had to do with my life, and it was, I would say, the most lowest point of my life. And after that, when I got into training, I was like, this is it that I want to do for the rest of my life. How I'll do it, I don't know. How I'm going to do business, I don't know. All I know is this is something that sets me on fire, so I want to do this, and it comes very naturally to me. It comes very easy to me, and that's how the journey began. And then I started training to students. Then I started training to corporates. I was a corporate trainer, so I used to go in different corporates. Like I've gone in Tree Cement, HDFC Bank, then Skoda. So these were some of the dream companies I always wanted to work with. And then I realized that things are fine, but I have to do more. Till mange more. And accidentally I got into being an entrepreneur in just 3 years ago. And as an entrepreneur, I was facing so many challenges. I was constantly chasing clients. I was not able to get work done from my team members. I took wrong hiring decision, I was constantly stressed and worried. I was working for 14 to 16 hours in a day. And that's when, there was one seminar, and I attended the seminar for 3 hours. And in that seminar, I just realized one thing: I don't know a lot of things, and the traditional education just doesn't work. So whatever I have learned in my school and colleges, it has not prepared me to, to get results in my life, to get results in my business, or to get results in my life. And that's when I decided to step into my power and get into the re-education journey. So I went through 12 different programs, learned from the world's best like Harvicker, Blair Singer, Mac Attram. These are some of the eminent international trainers that I got chance. I'm super blessed to get chance to work with them, to learn from them. And after that, I launched my open programs, and from there, I started teaching to entrepreneurs. The life was never the same, okay? And when I started teaching to entrepreneurs, I started seeing what are the problems they're facing. I realized most entrepreneurs completely lack confidence. There's so much of doubts, there's so much of fear, there's so much of anxiety. What if I'm not able to do it? What if I fail? There's fear of rejection. If they have lost money, they are fearful. What if I'm going to lose money again? They're constantly doubting themselves. They're constantly doubting their own capability, and they're completely ignorant. They're in the ignorant zone. They don't know what they don't know, okay? They're thinking it is very hard to do things. It's very hard to, make money. It's very, all these limiting beliefs, they're stopping them. That was one issue that I thought that these people have. Second is, in spite of the fact that, you want clients, you want to win clients, you want to retain clients, but they completely lack skills of client handling skills, okay? How you can connect with your clients in one-on-one setting, the art of getting yes from clients after client has come on board with you. After that, what you're supposed to do, how you handle your team members. I mean, in India, if you want to get work done from others, you have to train your team members. You cannot expect you get skilled people. That's the fact, okay? That's the fact. And people are, and entrepreneurs are completely ignorant about it, and they have no clue how to take hiring decision based on their qualification. They're taking a decision either based on the qualification or based on the past experience. They decide, acha isko ye kaam dena, isko ye kaam hai, doing things in a very traditional way, which today do not work anymore. And frankly, I'm telling you, even I was there. And after that, when I started learning all this, I started implementing it, some magic started happening. I went from version 1 to version 10. I developed that unshakable confidence in me, in spite of the fact that at times I don't feel like taking action. I take action, right? I'm on a mission now. For me, what I'm doing today, it's a part of my mission now. It's not just about passion, it's not about business, it's about mission that I live every day. And after that, I was able to take my business to the next level. I was able to take my income to the next level, and I started addressing to 70-80 entrepreneurs in one go. So I would say all this happened because I learned from my gurus, and I know what has to be done, in what manner it has to be done. I was not doing random stuff anymore. कुछ भी कर लो. So most entrepreneurs are doing कुछ भी कर लो, ये भी कर लो, वो भी कर लो, यहाँ पे भी चले जाओ, वहाँ पे भी. Too much of scattered energy. यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी. अब आपका एनर्जी अगर इतनी जगह लगेगा, so how will you expect to get results in your life? Okay, so that, and I know this because I was also there. Okay, so if you are here, if you are live, welcome. If you can connect to me, just type connect in the chat box, and I'll be super happy to see your comment. So this is what I would say has happened. And then in terms of the skills, there's a very big skill gap, because education has not taught you skill, and skill is nothing. Your ability to do a certain thing, like for example, if you want to learn to do sales, you should be able to do sales, right? That's a skill. If you want to communicate effectively, it's a skill you need, okay? And a skill is just like driving a car, okay? So if you're driving a car, like for example, if I want to drive a car, at the first day I will be like, oh my god, what's happening, how do I drive the car? After that, I'll start going slow, then I'll start practicing, and then it will become my habit, it will become my second nature, it will get into my subconscious mind, right? So after that, I'll be like, okay, I can drive my car also, I can talk, I can listen to my favorite music also, I can speak on call also, I can do all this effortlessly. But that's the fourth stage, okay? So here is one important rule, first secret that I want to share with you, that even my mentor shared this with me. And he said, if you will see nature, there are all the laws of nature. If you will see in nature, there are all the laws of success. And one of the laws of success is, whatever fruit you want in your life, fruit can be a better lifestyle, a better income, maybe you want to travel, or maybe you want to have a winning team. All these are fruits, okay? Now, in order to have these fruits in your life, you need to work on your roots. Okay, so when I also talk to entrepreneurs, they're like, Acha, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. Amazing, you want all this, amazing, you can have them, but are you willing to work on yourself? Because if people are ready, if you're ready to work on yourself, and if you go through that right coaching and mentoring system, then you get the result. Okay, but if you feel no, I mean, I don't want to get coaching, I don't want to get training, I can do it all by myself. Okay, do it all by yourself, but just see how is it working, how is it working so far in your life. Okay, so it can work for some time, for some days, but ultimately the answer is there are no shortcuts. You have to work on your skill. There is no escape for you to work, on your skills. And that is what, I've learned. And after that, so I was working, I launched my program. The program that I launched for entrepreneurs was Ultimate People Mastery. It was a super hit program in, place where I launched. And after that, last year, I got chance to, I was attending one of the webinars, like right now you might be attending me live. So I was attending one of the webinars, and I decided to take my knowledge online, in the online world. And that's when, I created a beautiful online school. And after that, I started sharing all that, I've learned in my school. And mainly I talk about subjects that are around communication and presentation, because these are the two, I think, skills that can take you anywhere that you want. It can help you win more clients. It can help you, get better with relationships. It can help you with more business. It can help you with better personality. It can help you get yes from people. So I mastered the subject, and that's what I teach. And in my circle, all those people who are in my inner circle, like one of my students, he was able to crack deal of 19 lakh in just one go by applying one tool that I'm going to share with you today. One was very shy and timid, and he said that, Neha, I'm not able to take my business to the next level because I cannot confidently go out and speak to people. He couldn't take a stand for himself. He used to get worried by what others are saying, what others are thinking about him, and emotionally, gets very emotional with people, not getting business results. He used to get a lot of opportunities to speak to people, because if you're doing business, the only way to do business is when you are able to connect with people. If you cannot connect with people, how you will do business, right? So he was lacking that skill. So though he was in the traditional business and things were happening fine, he said for future, how much that business can be sustained, he wanted to develop these skills. And he came in my school. He worked on his skills on relationship building. He worked on influencing skills. He worked on art of presenting in front of people. He learned some of the NLP tools from me. And I think within 3 months of time, he literally went from being shy to being a person who can now go and confidently speak to people. Okay, and it's obviously it has taken his life to the next level. It has taken his business to the next level. Okay, so whatever, and let me tell you, there are just 3 people. Okay, let me share with you now the secret number 1. Okay, are you ready for secret number 1? If you're ready for secret number 1, just type secret in the chat box. Yaketan, Sham, Soumya, Diva, Mohammed, Smita, Gulam. Okay, amazing guys. Thank you so much guys for joining, because you could have been anywhere but you are here. So thank you again for joining. I'm going to share with you now 3 secrets. Okay, see, secret number 1 is there are only 3 people you need to take care of, right, in your business. Business is equals to people. If there is no people, simple, there is no business, right? The first person you really need to take care of in your business is yourself. Okay, so some of the issues that I get from entrepreneurs are lack of confidence, not able to speak up for themselves, not able to charge, the money that they feel that they should be charging, or completely, living in fears and doubts and anxiety, stress. So, these all are issues are related to yourself. Okay, so if you're going through these problems, first this has to be fixed. Okay, second problems that a lot of entrepreneurs have is related to their clients. Now, clients can be existing clients or clients can be prospect clients. If I talk about existing clients, for existing clients, you need to have a system wherein once you have clients, after that, how is the journey of clients? How you are going to ensure that you can retain them. Okay, that's the problem. And for the new clients, the challenge is how to get those new clients, how to keep them, how to connect with them. Okay, so that's very important. How as their new clients, how they're going to trust you. It's very important. And last, I have seen issues that a lot of business owners have is related to the team members. Teams are not performing, they're not getting output. they are working very hard on their teams, but they're not able to. Like, I was speaking to one of the entrepreneur, and he said, you know, I want to grow my business, but I'm not able to do it because my team is not performing. So obviously, if your team is not performing, then obviously your business is not performing. So one of the important aspect is you should have teams which are performing. So these are the three things that you need, and if you have these three things in line, yourself, your clients, and your teams, if you have these triangle, which I call triangle of business, you actually become unstoppable, okay? Because you have all the required skill set to take your business to the next level now, okay? So that's the first thing that you need. You need to work on yourself, then your clients and your team members, okay? So if this makes sense, just type "makes sense" in the chat box. Yeah, thank you for your responses, all those who are responding, thank you so much. So number one, yourself, number two, your clients, and number two, your team members. These are the three pillars of your business, I would say, okay? If you can take care of these three pillars, rest of things can take care of itself, okay? So that's secret number one. Secret number two that I want to share with you is that is called having unshakable confidence. Now, what is confidence? Confidence is being comfortable in your own skin, okay? Being comfortable in your own capability, having the faith and the belief that whatever you want, whatever you're thinking, you are going to get it, and you are good enough. So I'll share with you about my own story. When I was doing business and I was not getting results, there was so many times that I got into self-doubt mode, okay? So many times self-doubt, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do that, others are doing much better than me. So all these, what happens is, these are called self-sabotage. You are just, you know, pulling yourself down, and you feel others are above you, okay? Now let me tell you, this is a recipe for a disaster, okay? You are already good enough. Yes, in order to achieve whatever you want to achieve, you need to work on yourself, you need to work on your required skill set, but you need to be super confident. So when I was going through the learning journey, and when I saw all the people who were going through the learning journey, one thing I realized was they all have some pattern. You know, the millionaires, the billionaires, the programs I was attending, they have one common thing, and that was they were super confident, okay? It's not that they have not gone through failures, it's not they do not have fears in their life, it's not they don't know how to take action in their life, but these people are super confident in their own skin, okay? And the reason they're super confident is because they have worked on their skill set so much. They know even if today everything collapsed down, tomorrow we can rebuild them, okay? And why they have this kind of confidence? The reason they have this kind of confidence is because they have worked a lot on themselves, okay? So confidence comes from competence, okay? Let me again share this secret with you. Confidence comes from competent. So only reason if you're not getting results in your life, it means there's something you don't know. But the moment you start working on it, you will start getting results in your life, and then that's when your confidence will go up, okay? So the biggest challenge people have confidence issues that I have seen, or even I had faced, or others, you know, as per the research, it's because they don't know what they don't know, okay? They are completely in ignorant zone. They don't know that it's easy for them to attain dreams, it's easy for them to achieve their goals once they know how to do it. But right now, because people are doing all by themselves, obviously they will not get results, okay? So it is very important that the first ingredient you have is confidence, because if you're not confident, you cannot work on your team, you cannot work with your clients. It's impossible to work, you know, with your clients or with your team members, or to achieve your goals if you're not even confident. If you're not confident in your own self, how will others be confident on you? And the best way to be confident is become competent, okay? The only way to become super confident is become competent. Competent as in the skills you need. What is the problem? What is the solution? You need personal development skills, you need business skills, right, in order to go to that next level in your life. So whatever you want, you work on that skill, okay? So if this makes sense, just type "makes sense" in the chat box. So that's the secret number one, guys, okay? Number two, which is my favorite one, and that is called the psychological hacks of getting yes from people. Now, you know, we want yes, okay? We want, I mean, yes is one of the very powerful words. We want yes from our clients, we want yes from the family members, maybe you want yes from your team members. And let me tell you, most of the entrepreneurs, what they do, and even I used to do, I remember I used to meet clients, and you know, they used to ask me to wait for 30-35 minutes, and then, you know, we used to have a meeting, and after that I used to call them, and there was non-stop follow-ups. I was constantly frustrated that, you know, I'm chasing clients and I'm not getting results. It's too much of effort I'm putting, but what's the result? There's no result out of it, right? So what happens is even in the environment, we have seen that entire day. Like today also I got a call from Axis people are calling me, then Airtel people are calling me. So they do in a so pushy way that you actually start hating the word called sales. So you start how to get yes from people. It's very difficult to get yes from people, right? The way these bank representatives speak to you, or the way these credit card companies speak to you. I used to hate sales. For me, I was like, oh god, it's one of the toughest thing on the earth to go through sales. But after that, I learned about psychology behind it. And the psychology is, let me give you a one tip. Okay, shall I share with you one simple tip to get yes from clients? If you want that one simple tip to get yes from clients, just type I want in the comment box. Yeah. So one quick tip to get yes from people, or yes from client, is very simple. It's called law of incremental gain. Okay, now it is a psychological hack basically used by any big marketing company or anybody on the earth. Good company, they're using it. Now what is law of incremental gain? It is called, like, whenever you are in touch with your clients or your team members, rather than asking for a big commitment, start with a smaller commitment. Okay, and once you start with smaller commitment, then go to next big thing, then next, then next, then next. Okay, so this is called law of incremental gain. Okay, so it is just like going on a dating. So if you're going on a dating, on the first time if you're meeting a person, and if you will say that person to marry, that person they will get shock of their life. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, but if you just take one step at a time, it's easy for the other person to digest it. Okay, if you will see how Jio has dominated the market, they have used the same strategy. Initially they came up with the free plans. People got habitual of their plans, and after that they started charging, and after that other mobile operators have to lower down their prices. Okay, so what they have done law of incremental gains. Achha, now let me tell you why this law of incremental gain works. So what happens when anybody is coming, specifically client, if they're coming in your circle for the first time, there are two risks they're taking. Okay, they're taking risk of time and they're taking risk of money. Okay, so why they're taking risk of time? I mean, there's constant question they're asking themselves: is it worth my time? Okay, and second question they're asking themselves is it worth my money? Okay, when they're buying first time from you. So if you can make this very simple, okay, then it's easy for them to trust you, because initially they don't trust you. You are not in the circle of trust. So because they're not in the circle of trust, even if you have world-class product or service, you go and pitch in, they are not going to trust you. Okay, and that is the reason that the best answer to this is you can start with giving something for free, like samples. Like in my case, in my business, I give free sessions. You can give free samples, you can give free demos, you can give 30 minutes strategic session, you can give a free report. There is something you can give it for free, okay, initially, so that at least they know who you are. At least you can solve their some problem. Okay, once you've solved the problem, after that you can pitch in about the services based on what they are looking for. Okay, so that's very important, and that to start with a smaller product, very easy on their pocket product, and then you take them to the high level product, and then super high tech product. Okay, this is basically called psychology. Okay, this is a psychology. This is psychology of getting yes from anybody. This is psychology of getting yes from people. This is psychology of getting more sales in your life. Okay, so there was a research done, like let's say there are two products. Okay, both the products are good products. Okay, so one product the people gave samples, and another product they were directly selling it. Okay, the sales of first product was 12 times more than the sale of first product, the second product. Okay, why was this case? The case was because these people were first giving samples, so they were bringing those people in the circle of trust. Once that is happening, it's very easy for customer to buy that product. Okay, whereas these people were directly selling. So one of the biggest mistakes a lot of entrepreneurs do, a lot of business owners do, is they start selling directly. See, even if you have world-class product or services, if you want to directly sell, it's going to be too much of work that you're doing, but you're getting very less results. Okay, but if you put it in a way that if you want to get yes from clients, but if you understand the psychology of it, and you just take one step at a time, and then take it to the next level, it's very easy for you to basically, you are influencing them. Okay, this is basically called influencing skills. Okay, let me share with you another secret. Another secret is, if you're doing business to business sales, okay, then the secret is people don't buy your product, people buy you. Okay, so this is another secret. People don't buy your product, people buy you. It means your ability to connect with your audience, your ability to connect with them in one-on-one setting, your ability to build relationship with them is very important. Okay, because if that relationship building is fine at the initial go, after that talking about the product or pitching them, it's an easy part. I mean, it's given, it will be done if they like you. I mean, if like for example there are two people who come to you, okay, and with one you have a good rapport, a good relationship, with another you do not have a good rapport relationship, whom do you going to think you have to do business with? Right? So same is with others also, because ultimately humans, we are the creatures of relationship, bonding and emotions, and if you can develop that with people, it drives them towards you and want to connect with you more. Okay, so if this makes sense, and if this is something that if this is like a bulb on for you, just type bulb on in the chat box. Just type bulb on. Thank you Sohail, thank you Sham. Yeah, so yeah, so if this is a bulb on moment for you, or if this is something that is like, okay, this is something new for me, just type in the chat box. Okay, so people first buy you and then they buy your product or services, hence it is very important for you to connect with them. And when you're and I'll just tell you a very simple secret to connect with people, okay, especially in one-on-one setting. If you're in a business setting one-on-one, it's how you can easily connect with people, and that is just maintain a good eye contact. Okay, maintain a good eye contact and talk about them. I mean, be interested in them, not about you. Don't talk about you, what you have to offer. Just talk about them, how you can help them, what do they like, what do they do not like, what kind of experience they had it in the past. Okay, so what will happen is two things will happen. Number one, a good eye contact gives a message that I am there for you. Okay, I am giving you my attention. Okay, so and people crave for that attention. Okay, so do that. And number two, in order for you to connect with them instantly, is talk about a subject that they might be interested in. Okay, rather than you telling about your product or service, just talk about a subject that they might be interested in. It can be about sports, it can be about economy, it can be about their company. You can also throw a question, very simple you question, how are you doing, how was your experience with us, or in case you've already taken services, how was your experience with our services, how was your weekend. Okay, and if they're in different city, you're on call, how is the weather there. Okay, so always remember, the biggest desire for humans is the ability to get attention, your ability to appreciate them, your ability to give them attention and time. Okay, and that's how you develop connection, you develop common rapport. And if there is something that you both are something passionate about and you start talking about that subject, then it's a beautiful rapport that you are in. And if you're already in rapport, that's if your already connection is good. Okay, so I remember I was in one of the corporate clients, and it was a wonderful company, big company, and I developed a good rapport with HR. So we were just talking, he was just sharing about his company. I said, okay, great, we are doing this, we are doing that. Okay, I was like, wow, this is so nice, this is so amazing. I was just focusing on what he has to say. I was not speaking, I was a good listener. And he kept on sharing. He was so excited to share about his company. He was excited to share the new initiatives he's doing as an HR. He was sharing about the problems that he was facing with people. And as soon as I was like, wow, this is so interesting. I was like interested in what he is saying. I was genuinely interested in what he was saying, and I was like, wow, this is interesting, life of an HR. And after that, immediately he didn't even ask me about my the offerings, the kind of trainings, nothing. Immediately, what he said, Neha, I want you to come in our center every month 2 times and do trainings on different topic. I was like, okay. I mean, I need not even open my brochure. I need to even talk about my pricing, nothing. Directly, he was like, just because we were in rapport. So after rapport, he was like, no, I don't want to see any of your products. I am ready. I want to work with you. I'm super happy to work with you. Just start training next month. And I was like, wow, this is cool. Right? So once you focus on building rapport, specifically if you are in one-on-one setting, the other things just flow. Okay, so if this is a bulb on for you, just type bulb on in the chat box. Just type bulb on in the chat box. Super awesome. Okay, great. Now, so this was like the second secret, and this secret was applied by Sandeep Gautam. He is my one of the students in my inner circle, and he has also shared his testimony on the Facebook. And just using the skill of rapport, just rapport building, he was able to crack deal of 19 lakhs in just one go. Okay, so this is the power, this is the power of rapport. I mean, whatever you want to achieve, you don't have to work very hard. You just have to learn some basic stuff that others are doing. You have to model them, and then you just do that, so that you also start getting results. You don't have to work long hours. You don't have to chase clients. I mean, that time is gone. When I mean, the world we are in today, it's a digital age. It's the people. There's so many people who are waiting out for your products and services. All you have to do is you have to position them, you have to package them in a way, you have to understand people, and then it's easy for you to get results from them. Okay, if this makes sense, just type "make sense" in the chat box. Thank you, Krunal. Thank you, Sohail. Thank you so much. The third secret that I want to share with you, and I want to give it to you, is something, and that is called art of getting work done from your team members. Now, if you have a team members, just type team member in the chat box. If you have a team, okay. So team members are very important, specifically if you are running your own show, you're running your business. Even if you have one team members to manage, or if you have 5 team members to manage, if you have 500 team members to manage, there are humans involved, and it's altogether a different skill set you need in order to get work done from them. Okay. So as an entrepreneur, it is your responsibility to create high performing teams. Okay. Your teams will not be performing. Let me tell you very honestly and very bluntly. You have to make them perform, and the reason they will not be performing is, again, the entire education system has not given us training and coaching to be able to do work in an efficient way, to be productive and to get results. Okay, that's the flaw of our education system, and that's the reason, as an entrepreneur, you have to take responsibility of your training. You have to take responsibility of your team members' training. Okay, that's the ultimate intention that you need to set as a business owner, right? So how you get work done from others, or how you create high performing teams? Well, I'll just share with you one super cool secret that's one of my favorite, and that is called, always when you're getting work done from them, when you're talking to them, okay, always reconfirm your understanding. Okay, I'll just give you, which is called stamping. Basically, I call this technique as a stamping, like this stamp. Okay, now what is this stamping? Stamping is a tool which is used even in movie theater. So right now, because of COVID, definitely the movies and all, they are closed, but if you go in any good theater, and if you stand in a queue, and if you say, I want a movie ticket of say Bahubali 2, and I want, say, 3 tickets of Bahubali 2 at 3:30 show. So do you think the other person is going to give you directly? Not really, right? They will first ask you, okay, so you want Bahubali 2 tickets at 3:30 p.m. and it's B row from 10 to 12. Shall I give you the tickets? He's also going to show you the tickets, and then you'll say, yeah, done. After that, he's going to take out the ticket, and then it's going to give you. Okay, so what he has done is, basically, he has reconfirmed your understanding. He has done stamping. So whenever you are talking to your team members, don't assume they know everything. Give them very specific instruction: what you want, when you want, how you want. Okay, what, when, how. Okay, I want this sheet, like say sales sheet, tomorrow by 5 p.m. and I want you to complete these 6 details and give it to me. Okay, and once you have given the instruction, stamping, ask them to repeat what they have listened. Okay, stamping. So what will happen with this stamping? You will save a lot of your time, money and energy that goes in, people are doing something and you are doing something. You're wasting a lot of your time, energy and money just because you both are not at same pace. Okay, so you will be able to save a lot of your time, energy and money just using these tools. Okay, so this is something that you can instantly use, guys. So I hope this session has been helpful for you. If you are live here and watching me, now I will be ready to take some of your questions. If there's any question, you can take you can just start sharing your questions in the comment box, and I will be super happy to answer. Also, meanwhile, if you have loved this session, if you have liked this session, I would like to invite you for my inner circle inner circle coaching program, which is basically called Wow Leader Talk. Okay, Wow Leader Talk. It is a beautiful online courses plus group coaching program wherein I help you develop world-class skills, like how you can get work done from others, how you can communicate with your clients better, how you can have amazing personality, how you can speak up for yourself, how you can manage your emotions. Okay, and the best part is right now I'm giving a bundle of it, that is a bundle of 8 courses at the price of just one. Okay, so ideally the cost of this bundle is close to 60,000, but just for some time, okay, I'm giving it at 4,994. And I am very honest why I'm giving this offer. It's because I feel that this is one skill that each and every person on the planet should have. Okay, so that's one reason I'm giving you. Number two, as this is a digital medium, so obviously in terms of business my cost is also low, so I'm giving you that. And third is I have to put a lot of money in order to learn what I'm sharing with you today. I don't want you to face the same, right? So all the details of the course, if you're interested, after this live session I will be sharing a link of it. You will be able to see all the courses. There are, like I said, there are eight things that I'm going to give you, a complete bundle I'm going to give you. And the best part is all these courses can be completed in a span of just 2 weeks, and it's just like watching a Netflix. So rather than wasting your time here and there, you can build a very solid skill that can save your years, that can save your months, that can save your time, that can help you, grow your business, that can take your life altogether to next level. Okay, so I'm so happy and I'm so excited that for you to share this, right? So I'm here for the questions. If there are any questions, I will be super happy to answer. If there are no questions, that is also totally cool. Some of the questions that I regularly get is the online course that I'm giving you, the digital courses I'm giving you, what is the access of it? So the access to the course is for 1 year. So 1 entire year you get access to the course. Plus the best part is I don't want to give you a course and I want to leave it. No, I don't believe in that. I want to ensure that you implement the courses. So I give you infographics. Infographic means colorful the colorful documents that you can instantly take out print of it, and you can put it on your desk and you can see that every day. Okay, because I don't want to dump you with a lot of information. My intention is, even if you know one technique and if you're applying that every day, that's more important rather than just collecting all the information and dumping it in your head. No, that's not my intention for you, right? And third thing is, every week on Friday there is a group inner coaching circle program, wherein everybody who is going through the courses, they share their experience, they ask their queries, and also I share bonus learning. Okay, and these session access you get again for the lifetime. So every week we meet live. You get access to the Telegram group, you get access to the Facebook group of paid members, so that if there is any question you have, you get 24/7 support. Yeah, this is cool. So as I said, the course, the offer price is 4,994. That is going on. I will be sharing the link once I'm going to finish today's live. So this offer is going to end soon. So just grab the offer before I completely close it. Okay, I have a question. Apart from Just Dial, Sulekha, what is the best way to get sales? Okay, see, in terms of sales, let me tell you, it's again a beautiful skill to master. And Sulekha and Just Dial, they're traditional ways of working. Like, I don't have anything on Just Dial or Sulekha because I don't drive sales there. So these are the traditional ways. Some of the modern ways that now people do sales is they use funnels. That's the modern way of doing sales. How you can use your funnel, how you can build your business funnels so that you drive sales. Okay, and next is, nowadays people are also driving sales through Facebook. Like, you can see a lot of Facebook ad campaigns are going on. You can see YouTube ad campaigns are going on, right? You can see Twitter ad campaigns are going on, right? So these are the new and the advanced way of doing sales, because that Sulekha and Just Dial, that was an old and traditional way. But nowadays it's all about digital sales that's going on, right? So like right now I'm doing a Facebook live, and at the same time I'm sharing about my program details. So it is a digital sales. It is a digital sales that I'm doing. Okay, so that's how nowadays you drive sales. I hope it answered your question. Thank you for asking. Yeah, thank you, Sham, for asking. Super cool, guys. So it has been super awesome to be here. I mean, I personally enjoyed sharing all the secrets with you. Just go ahead and apply these secrets. I'm sure it's going to change your life like never before. And also, to learn more and to master these skills, just get into my inner circle, because as an entrepreneur, I know that only one skill will not help you. Having a combination of communication skills, influencing skills is going to what drives sales, right? That's what has helped me also. So it's going to help you in taking your business to the next level, drive your sales, and altogether take your personality to the next level. Okay, so if this is something that you're looking for, I will be super happy to welcome you in my inner circle. Okay, so with this, thank you so much all those who have joined me today. I've been super happy to answer you. Yeah, let me see, there's a question. Yes, Akshay, there is a course related to, see, there is a section called influence people. So influencing means getting yes from your clients. Okay, that's a sales. Okay, so that's there in my course. Okay, also in my this course that right now I will be sharing with you, there is a one separate course on sales formula. Okay, so you can go through that also. But if you're making a food, okay, if you're making a food, you need ingredients of all the things, and then the dish is made. So even I used to feel, in order to do sales, I just need to learn sales. But let me tell you, if you want to drive sales in your life, you need that right mindset, you need that communication skills, you need that influencing skills, you need that convincing skills, you need that personality, and plus obviously you need sales skills. So when all these things come together, you basically drive sales. Okay, and that's the secret nobody talks about, and that's the reason a lot of time people go through sales program, they don't get results. And even I have some people in my program, they have gone through so many programs, they've gone through sales programs also, but still they're struggling in sales. And the reason is because it's a combination. You need the combination of communication, influencing skills, and also at the same time you need the sales skills. I mean, technical and soft skills, when these two come together, they give you result. And research has said that your 80% of your success in sales is going to depend on your ability to communicate and influence the prospect. Okay, I hope it answered your question. Let me see. Yeah, Akshay, I have answered you. I'll send you details also. You can send the course details again. Let me see. Is there any other question? Akshay is there. Sohail has a question. How to get more clients? Yeah, how to get more clients is it's a skill which is called marketing. So what I do in my inner circle, I have a detailed mastery course wherein I teach people how to market and then how to sell. Because first you have to attract clients, and once clients have come, you have to close the deals. Okay, it's a two-step process. First you have to market it, then you have to do sales, and after you've done sales, then also you have to delight your clients. So it's a three-step process basically. So I cannot share everything in just 1 hour of conversation. So all the people who are going through my inner courses, they go through these courses, and if somebody is interested to learn more on seeing my system, how I do, I direct them to my advanced courses. Okay, so it's a journey. If you're thinking that I'm just going to give you one course like this and it's going to be a magic wand, no. If there's something that you really want to work, that's going to give you income for the rest of your life, you have to work on these skills, and you have to give your time, and that's how you get results. You can't get results in just one or two technique. I'll be very honest, because as a coach, it's my responsibility to be very honest with you. I don't want to give you any false commitment. Okay, so you have to work on these skills. Okay, and even if I give you everything I have on our sales, but if you don't have that mindset, if you're constantly thinking negative, if you don't know how to communicate, if you cannot get yes from people, if you cannot convince people, it's not going to make sense. It's not going to make sense. Okay, I hope it answers your question. Akshay, yes, I will send you the details right now once I'm going to finish this. So it's basically the first program. So see, like I said, I have a funnel. So the first course that I'm going to give you is a basic course wherein you learn basics of entire communication, influence, sales, everything is there. Okay, after that you go to the second level, which is super advanced course, and then third level is also another advanced course. So what my recommendation for you is, you can send me a direct message also after this live call, but my message is go through step by step, level 1, level 2, level 3, and you will almost become master. Also, if you don't do level 3, it's okay, but 1 and 2 courses are must for you to attain the mastery if you want of this subject. Okay, so, and as I said, guys, let me be, again, as a coach, let me be very blunt and very honest with you. If I'm going to give you world-class sales tools and techniques, it's not going to help you until and unless you don't have that right mindset. You cannot communicate, you don't know how to influence people, you don't know how to build that client relationships. If you don't know these things, no technique in the world is going to help you. And let me tell you, there are no shortcuts. There's nothing called quick rich scheme. No, I don't believe in that. And also, let me tell you, in my own inner circle, you can go through my programs. Plus, I also direct you to the programs of my mentors from whom I have learned, so that if you want to get that international exposure, you can do that also. But as I said, it is a journey, one step at a time. And if you are somebody who has like 30 days, 60 days of your time, and you are ready to do whatever it takes to take your sales to the next level, to take your life to the next level, to take your skills to the next level, you are at the right place. But if you're expecting me to give you some magic wand and jadoo is going to happen in one day, no, I don't want to give you that wrong commitment. Don't waste your time and money. But if you are somebody who is patient enough, just trust the process. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just go through level 1, level 2, level 3, or 1 and 2. Just go through that. If you, and then there are different directions in level 2. You can go through advanced courses. You can go through only sales course. You know, the different things. If you have that mindset of long term, I would like to invite you for my inner circle. But if you're just thinking something very quick and shortcut, it's not for you. Yeah, Akshay, I'll just share the link in a while. Yeah, thank you, Sohail. Thank you so much. So thank you guys so much. It has been super awesome answering your questions. And after this live session, I'll be sharing with you the link, and just get into the inner circle, and I will be super happy to see you. Okay, bye bye.